Here in the kitchen we've also have another little problem. The second oven on top of the bread oven is a little bit too high for Elisa. So what Pep's going to do is take these feet off. And he's built this little frame for it to sit on. And that will lower it enough that it's more comfortable to put in, you know, heavy trays of cake and all sorts of things in there. So these are kind of small things that we're working on right now. There's quite a lot going on with the cooling pipes and the final electricity for the bar, and this weekend the bar pieces are going to be put together and then brought down here. The first of the outdoor furniture arrived. Cushions we have indoors, we're not putting that yet, the rest is on the way. And then got to close this off and put in a little fence. Get some umbrellas, make this area a little bit of a nice space. There's storage room, there's a toilet with a light, the door that locks, so you have privacy now. Down in the cellar, this door, which is kind of like the master door to the technical area. There will be a little lock pad, so you can get in, and then there's a door and a door and a door, and everything's looking pretty good. So these doors are a little bit thinner than the ones upstairs, not as heavy, a bit lighter, but still good doors. So, and an oak look to them. So we had to cut the corner off this one just to get under the stairs, but that's okay. It looks all good to me. But I'm happy. I mean, look at this place now. Just look at this place now. Apart from all this stuff, it's like a house now. It wasn't too long ago that we were literally down here putting in the underfloor heating and things like that with like basics, you know, brick showing and concrete showing, the stairs being concrete, putting in electrical pipes and things, and oh my goodness. It's been a long road, but we finally have something that resembles a comfortable house, and it's getting more comfortable all the time, and there's less dust and dirt. The cafe, on the other hand, is going to be our last hurdle, and then we have it basically ready to open at the end of the month. That'll be something, won't it? Just bought some cheap Amazon stencils, and this little table is going to become a little bit of a biological display. So we've got a lot of cable runners now on the ceiling, visible to the eye, and that's basically because a lot of the planning that we did for the bar and the cooling systems happened kind of along the way and after the fact that we put the floors in and everything. So yeah, thankfully that's only happening down here in the cellar, because in other places we did manage to plan for it. So yeah, I'm not too worried though. You know, a few cables going across the ceiling. The main thing is that the systems work, and we get like cold soda water, you know, coming up through the bar and out of the tap, and the fridges and the drawers stay cold. Yeah, these are more important than a few cables. Although of course it would be nicer if they were hidden away, but at this point I'm not too worried. we finished with the tiles. We're cracking on with the rest of this toilet, get it finished. Looking good. Happy so far. And tomorrow we'll be able to finish it off. Oh, apart from the toilet seat was broken, so we're waiting for a new one. So we got a bit of a delay for our cooling system. A few days. The guys are coming next week to do that, to plumb it all in, which will be good once it's done, and it means we can finish off the kitchen and the bar and push forward to our opening. And so got a few things to do, just small things, a little bit of painting, a little bit of cleaning up, and this changing table is one of them. It's got a bit worn out, so I've just painted it up again with this yellow stripe because there's a lot of glue that was suddenly visible on it. And that's going in the toilet, which is always good because it's nice to have a changing table. For those who need symmetry, look away now. I'm sorry, but it's not quite symmetrical. But old board from the old house. There's even some Cyrillic writing on it. We're not sure what it says, but we left it on there because it's kind of cool. Just varnished it, treated it a bit with the steel wool brush, and now we have a nice area in the cafe to hang your coat and your hat, which is great. Perfect here. Just come in, take your hat off, hang it up. Whoa, hang it up on that one. That'll work. Good.